Good morning, 早上好. Today we will continue to learn special Chinese verbs together. And each verb has two pronunciations. Okay, let's get started. The first one, well, this character has two pronunciations. Let's read the sentence first. 他把宝藏藏起来了。他把宝藏藏起来了。What does it mean? Okay, 藏 or 藏，宝藏藏起来了。Because there's a 把 in this sentence, so basically the verb will be after the noun. So 宝藏 is the noun. 藏 is the verb. Okay. 宝藏 means the treasure trove. 藏 means to hide. Okay, so 他把宝藏藏起来了。Yes, there's a 起来 here. The verb plus 起来 means do something. Means you do something like the finished. So 藏起来 is that you cannot see this anymore. In English, you also say like, hide something up. Eat up, hide up. So 起来 also like this. So 他把宝藏藏起来了 means he hid because le means the past tense. He hid the treasure trove up. Okay, 藏 to hide. 藏宝藏 treasure trove. So 宝藏 also means like the precious deposit. 宝藏. In a word, so this character, when it's 藏, it's a verb. 藏, it's a noun. Okay. Next one. Have you ever seen this character before? Maybe a lot. 打折, right. Actually, it has another way to read. 折, but what does it mean? Let's read the sentence together. 打折的商店都舍本了。打折的商店都舍本了。打折 means discount. Discount, the is off. 打折的商店 means discount stores or discount shops. 都 means all. 舍本 means lose the money in business. So lost monies. 舍本 lost monies. And both of them, they are verbs. It doesn't matter. Oh, 打折 it's a verb. 折 is a verb. 舍 is also a verb. But 打折 means discount. 舍本 means to lose the money in business. Okay, so 打折的商店都舍本了。All the discount shops lost the money in their business. Okay. And also 折 means break. 折断 like I'm going to break this pencil. I cannot do it. But we can also say 折 this, like do this is 折 to break. Okay. So this verb, it has two pronunciations. One is 折, another one is 舍. 打折, 舍本. Both of them, they are the verbs. Okay. Next one, have you ever seen this character before? Okay, let's read the sentence first. 我的头发长长了。我的头发长长了。What does it mean? 我的头发 means my hair. 长 as a verb, it means to grow. So grow, 长 as an adjective means long. So grow longer. And it's the past tense. So you can say my hair grew longer. Okay, 我的头发长长了。My hair is very long. 很长，我的头发很长。How do I know this is the verb and this is the adjective? Because there's no 把 in this sentence. So basically, the verb it's before the adjective or the noun. So 我的头发长长了。The subject is my hair here, okay? So this special grammar here, it's like the 长 plus the adjective. So this adjective is the result. Grow, longer, 长长. Any other adjective? Grow up or grow bigger, 长大. Grow taller, 长高, right? So 长 with the adjective. Okay. Next one. This character is now, maybe you can say, oh, it's 八 because you can see this is 8. Yes, you are right. 八. Sometimes we can guess the pronunciation through the shape of this character. Yes, it's 八, but actually you can also read this character like 爬. What does it mean? Let's read the sentence. 扒手扒开了他的包。扒手扒开了他的包。Okay, what does it mean? 扒手扒开了他的包。扒手 it's one word. 扒手 means pickpocket. 扒手，他是扒手。He is a pickpocket. Okay. 扒 means to open. 扒开 also means open. But 扒开 it's like you forced to open something. Okay. So 扒开 is with your strength to open something. 扒手扒开了他的包，他的包 means his bag. So it means the pickpocket opened his bag, like forced open his bag. So this character also, it has two pronunciations. One is 扒, another is 扒. 扒手 is one word, so it's a noun. But 扒, it's a verb. Means to force to open something. 扒开. Okay, similar to 开. Okay, so today we learned the 4 special verbs together. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments. Thank you for watching today. I will see you next time. 谢谢大家，再见。